The fully synthetic MELAG Care Oil ensures gentle and reliable care of your contra-angles and turbines. Open the magnetic door of the oil can holder by pulling it forward at the level of the power switch. Remove the old oil can from the oil can holder by pressing the can downward while simultaneously swinging it out. Insert the new oil can into the oil can holder by swinging the can in while simultaneously pressing it downward. Check that the can is correctly seated in the holder by pulling on it gently. Close the door of the oil can holder. Open the Settings menu and select Oil Can. The fill level indicator for the current oil can will open. Press Reset and confirm the prompt with Yes to reset the fill level indicator to 100%. To complete the replacement process, click Save. The view will then return to the Settings menu.